Hey yo, baby D, get your little ass over here on the mic, man. Show these other little niggas they can't fuck with the Dangerous Crew, man. Spit that shit.
Shit on gold chain, gold glasses, prime time like Dion.
Hey, can't do the Quan, do the Dion. You hear me?
He don't speak on me, I don't compete with a peon. Fly in a bundle like my name was Dion.
Bro, no cap. Once you change your mindset, bro, and you change your energy and the way that you operate, animals are attracted to you. Look at that. I remember a time when I used to go out with my BB gun. I'd shoot all type of animals, birds, squirrels, all type of animals, bro. And then it became a point where they used to run from me. But nowadays, man, when I come outside, stand in my garage or stand in my yard, bro, animals don't even run from me, bro. It's all about your energy that you give off, man, to the world. Bro, it be birds, bro, they'll come to sit down there at my feet. Lizards will come from wherever they from and come walk up to my feet. Deer, they'll come stand in front of me. What else? What other animals? I remember I went on this swamp tour like a month ago. The alligator swam from where he was at, probably 20 yards away, swam right up to me on the boat, bruh. Just all type of animal attraction, bro, will come right up to me, bro. It's all about your energy, man. I think they know now that I'm not a threat to them, and I respect them as God's creation. And once you let the animals know that and you give off that energy, bro, animals will start coming around you. Now I gotta put that Saints up there, G. You know what I'm saying? When you show them animals, man, you give off that type of energy, man, that godly energy, bro. That righteous energy, animals will start coming up to you, bro. You can damn near touch them animals, man. I just had that deer was standing right here. And I was standing right here. When you change your energy, bro, you attract realer stuff to you, bro. That's all I wanted to say, bro. I ain't trying to hold you. All right, I'm out. Peace. I'm still working on myself, man. I hope you working on yourself. Peace.